How to make a Georgia TSA lapel pin design. Step 1. Brainstorm and conceptualize. 1. Think about unique Georgia icons or symbols that aren't overused. Avoid just using the state shape as the pin shape. 2. Consider how to incorporate TSA, Georgia, and/or the state shape creatively. 3. Sketch out a few rough ideas on paper. Step 2. Choose design software. 1. Select a computer design program you're comfortable with. 1. Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or even Canva can work. 2. Ensure the software can export your design as a PDF. Step 3. Set up your document. 1. Create a new 8.5x11 document in your chosen software. 2. Set up 2 artboards or areas on this document. 1 for the actual size design and 1 for an enlarged version. Step 4. Create your design. 1. Start with a shape for your pin that is between 0.75 to 2s in its longest dimension. 1. Note, the competition allows up to 2, but you specified 2.5. Stick to the competition maximum of 2. 2. Incorporate the letters TSA prominently in your design. 3. Add either the word Georgia or the state shape or both to your design. 4. Use Georgia icons or symbols creatively within your design. 5. Ensure all elements are clearly visible and legible when reduced to the actual pin size. Step 5. Color selection. 1. Choose colors that represent Georgia and TSA well. 2. Ensure good contrast for readability. 3. Consider how colors will look when printed or manufactured. Step 6. Typography. 1. Choose clear, legible fonts, especially for TSA and Georgia if used. 2. Avoid very thin or overly decorative fonts that might not be readable when reduced. Step 7. Create the enlarged version. 1. Copy your design and paste it into the area for the enlarged version. 2. Scale it up to show detail clearly, but ensure it still fits within the 8.5x11 document. Step 8. Final checks. 1. Ensure your design adheres to all rules, especially regarding TSA logo usage and avoiding copyrighted materials. 2. Double-check that both the actual size and enlarged versions are present and clear. 3. Verify that the TSA letters, Georgia reference, and any other elements are visible in the actual size version. Step 9. Export as PDF. 1. Save your document as a PDF file. 2. Ensure that both the actual size and enlarged versions are included in the PDF. Step 10. Review and refine. 1. Take a step back and look at your design with fresh eyes. 2. Ask for feedback from others if possible. 3. Make any final adjustments as needed. Step 11. Submit your design. 1. Upload your PDF document to the TSA Event Management System Tech Day registration site. 2. Ensure you submit before the deadline of midnight on September 3, 2024. 3. Save your submission confirmation for check-in at the competition.